How excited are you say that now the project is now complete and it's ready for commissioning?
We are very excited. You can see these silos, a total of 6,000 metric tons, artificial intelligence driven or powered, and each of these silos is 8,000. We are very grateful to His Excellency the President, Dr. Emmerson Mnangagwa, because this Second Republic is bringing in within the shortest possible time 784,000 additional storage capacity from the 750,000 we have, which was 4 silos pre-independence, 8 silos First Republic. And you can see now 14 silos in the Second Republic. Massive transformation. This is the second one following the Kwekwe one, and as indicated already by the Minister, we are likely then to go to Mangura, Vuru, and then later on to others. So this is massive. Thank you.